Mantan Presiden Amerika Serikat dan kandidat Partai Republik Donald Trump mengalami kejadian mengerikan saat kampanye hari Sabtu lalu. Terdengar suara tembakan, membuat Secret Service segera mengamankan Trump dan membawanya keluar dari panggung. Saksi mata melaporkan melihat darah di telinga kanan Trump saat dia dievakuasi. Pihak berwenang langsung merespon, mengamankan lokasi kejadian, dan polisi bersenjata mengambil alih situasi. Insiden ini menambah kompleksitas pada kampanye Trump yang sudah penuh gejolak dan pertempuran hukum yang dihadapinya. Kesaksian penting dalam persidangannya yang sedang berlangsung dapat membentuk masa depan politiknya dengan cara yang belum pernah terjadi sebelumnya. Reaksi publik beragam, dari terkejut hingga dukungan tak tergoyahkan. Para ahli menyatakan bahwa perkembangan ini dapat berdampak luas. Nantikan informasi terbaru dari kami seiring dengan perkembangan cerita ini.
So today I was photographing former President Trump at a campaign rally here in Butler, Pennsylvania. I was right in front of the stage, directly in front of the stage. It was a normal rally. I've done it hundreds of times, and over my left shoulder, I heard several pops, and I knew immediately it was gunfire. So I looked at the stage, and I saw the Secret Service agents rushing to President Trump. From that moment, I ran to the stage and I started photographing the agents on top of them. And then off to my right, I saw the Secret Service counter-assault team arrive. And then I ran to the other side of the stage and they picked President Trump up. And then as he's walking down the ramp, he started fist bumping to the crowd, waving. And I did notice he had blood coming down his face, as you can see in the photos. The agents took him down the ramp and they put him into an SUV. And again, as he was getting into the SUV, he also started pumping his fist again. So I'm not sure how long it was from beginning to end, but in my mind, it all happened really fast. At the moment I heard the shots being fired, I knew that this was a moment in American history that had to be documented. I mean, it's our job as journalists to do this work.